how to draw simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a tsunami. Let's start off by drawing a long line that sweeps up and to the right like so. Then, add 2 bumps over the top and one more here with a sharp turn back at the end. From this side here, we can draw the water that's crashing back down. Start with a bump like so that curves up to the left, followed by a few really wavy lines like so, also curving up towards the left. Finally, a long line that curves down and around. And from here, a similar line that comes down and around, but turns into a gentle wavy line going to the right. To add some more detail, add some long curved lines coming down from the edge like so, a wavy line going across the bottom here, another one here, here, and a few in the back as well. And now you got a tsunami. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.